Hey everyone, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I am going to show you my favorite protein-packed salad. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. So the salad itself is nothing super extraordinary, but it's kind of the story behind it. Believe it or not, I actually got the inspiration for this at an airport, the airport in Rome. When we were on our way home from Italy, you had to stop and get some lunch while we were waiting for our plane. And for every abysmal meal I've had in an airport on occasion, you find something good. And I found this salad. And it's so funny that I got this in Italy because it combines two things that in general Italians will not ever put together, and that is cheese and fish. So I am building my salad with some red onion. I've got a hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna add in a few pieces fresh mozzarella, the little cherry ones, ciliegini. Also gonna add in, of course, some beautiful fresh tomatoes. And I'm kind of building this for one because I will eat this salad as a meal. So I will just make a huge bowl of it just like this, put it all together, and have it for lunch or for dinner. And I'll be honest with you guys, even my husband loves this one. So don't think this is like a chick's salad, because it's not. Okay, so whenever you're building a lettuce-based salad, you actually want to always put all of your toppings, your fillings on the bottom of the bowl first, especially if you want to transport this at all. Again, you could totally make this for lunch and bring it to work with you. And now we're just going to add in our greens. Plenty of those. Okay, I like a mixed green. I don't want to go too far because then it's going to spill all over. And we're going to add in, season everything with salt and pepper. And the key here is just to really dress everything with the best quality olive oil that you can find. That's kind of one of the things that really makes this dish. So we're gonna add our extra virgin olive oil. And on this one, I actually like to put white wine vinegar instead of a balsamic. It just seems to go better with everything. So just a little bit of that. Now we're just gonna toss everything all together. What I love about this is that egg yolk really kind of gets in there with the dressing and just kind of makes it creamy and delicious. Super good salad, really kind of a bit unexpected, but give it a shot. Loaded with protein. This is gonna keep you full for a long time, and it is super healthy for you. You can get the recipe at caradifalco.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you like in your salad in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you guys next week. Buon appetito.